at the front of the forearm is median, but the deep branch of median, anterior interosseous nerve, is located at the front of the interosseous member at the front. Okay. So basically, the anterior compartment flexor muscles are involved in what? Flexion of the hand, flexion of the metacarpophalangeal joint, and then we have the flexion of the interphalangeal joint. Okay? Or the proximal interphalangeal and distal interphalangeal flexion. Okay, so they are primarily involved in flexion. Also, one additional function is also done by the anterior compartment muscle is what? Is?
The flexion of the forearm by the
Is? The other function is, besides flexion? Anterior compartment muscles. Pronation, right. So basically, we can say that anterior compartment flexor muscles or anterior compartment muscles are primarily involved in flexion of the hand and fingers, and pronation of the forearm. Okay, so we have two important functions that is accomplished by the anterior compartment muscles of the forearm. Okay, flexion and pronation. And the nerves? Median and ulnar nerve, right. So median and ulnar nerve basically innervates the muscles of the forearm. Ulnar nerve innervates which muscles?
The carpophalangeal.
1.5.
1.5. One is what?
The polycystic.
Say it.
Flexor carpi ulnaris.
Flexor carpi ulnaris, right. Flexor carpi ulnaris, that's the one. And then we have half is what? Flexor digitorum profundus. And that's the medial half of profundus. The medial half of profundus. So that's why we say that the flexor digitorum profundus, well, I might ask you that, which of the muscles are innervated by two nerves, or which of the muscles is innervated, has a dual innervation. Dual means two, okay? Two innervation, dual innervation. And the answer to that question is what? Okay, everybody say it after three. 1, 2, 3. No, say it again. Okay, after three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I didn't hear you guys. I didn't hear you. You. Yes. Okay. After three, everybody say 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So flexor digitorum profundus is what? Dually innervated muscle. Dually innervated muscle. Say it. Say it again.
Dually innervated.
Okay, good. Okay, you say it. Yeah. Okay, what does that mean?
Two nerve.
Which is that nerve?
Medial and ulnar.
Median and ulnar. Okay. I always ask that as a question in the test. Okay. But now I won't. Since we have repeated several times. Okay, no, I will, don't worry. Okay. So that's that. That's the 1.5. Okay. So that's the anterior compartment. So the primary nerve is median and ulnar, okay? And so medial and ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve is a branch from brachial plexus from where? Excuse me. Median nerve is a branch from brachial plexus. But which part of the brachial plexus does it comes off from? The ulnar nerve.
Inferior from.
Sorry?
Inferior from.
From which part of the brachial plexus does it come off from? Ulnar nerve.
Median cord.
Medial cord, correct. Okay. Medial cord. How about the median nerve? Where does it come off from? Brachial plexus. Median nerve.
Inferior.
So we have the roots, right? We have the medial root of the medial cord. We have the lateral root of the lateral cord. These two roots that come together, they form the median nerve. All right. So that's that. So median and ulnar nerve. Okay. Do they have any innervation, muscle innervation in the arm?
No.
So which muscles they innervate in the arm?
No.
Okay, my question is, which muscles do or does median and ulnar nerve innervate in the arm? None, right? Okay, there's no muscles that innervate median and ulnar nerve. We're talking about ulnar and median nerve. Okay. So median and ulnar nerve only innervates muscles in the forearm. That's the motor innervation. Do they have any sensory innervation in the forearm, median and ulnar nerve?
No.
Median nerve doesn't have, but ulnar has it.
What does ulnar has?
Sensory innervation in the forearm.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't. Right.
Say it. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's the answer. So median and ulnar nerve does not have any sensory innervation in the forearm. Okay? All right. So where do they have sensory innervation, the median and ulnar nerve? In the hand, right? So which part of the hand does the ulnar and median nerve have? Okay, well, just one of you say it. Raise hand. Okay, anybody wants to say it? Say it. The sensory innervation of ulnar nerve and median nerve in the hand. So which areas does it innervate? Which supply? Say it.
Median is the lateral side.
This side is the ulnar and this side is
What does it mean? This side. You can't say this side.
Median
Put
side is the-
those things in words.
median side is the ulnar, lateral side is the
Okay, it's still not enough.
Posterior.
3.5 for a median.
See? Okay, so
3.5 for the median.
okay, medial 1/3 of the palm. Okay, so we have divide your palm into medial 1/3 and lateral 2/3. Okay. Yeah, draw on your own hand. Look, this is her hand. Okay, so this, okay, look, this is half of the fingers, and then this is the, okay, this is 1/3 of the palm. And this medially, this is 1/3, and this is the 2/3 of the palm. So this is medial, this is lateral, 1/3 medially, 2/3 lateral. What's this? This is the palm, and this is the finger. So if you talk about the ulnar, so this is the ulnar, right? So medial, 1/3 of the palm, and medial, 1.5 of fingers. Okay, which part? The anterior surface of the fingers, and the posterior surface too. Okay, so we're doing like this too. Again, this is also ulnar. All right. So anterior surface, the volar surface of the fingers, and the medial 1/3 of the palm, and dorsal 1/3. Dorsal 1/3 of the hand. Dorsal. Medial 1/3 of the hand, and dorsal 1.5 fingers, dorsal, and anterior 1.5 fingers, anterior 1/3 of the palm. So that's what? That's ulnar. Median, so lateral 2/3. So median 1/3 is lateral 2/3. So this is what? Median. And lateral 3.5 fingers, 1, 2, 3.5. This area again, median plus tips. Lateral 3.5, lateral 3.5, dorsal tips of the fingers would be again median, and the rest would be the radial. This here would be the radial, dorsal, lateral 3.5. So this is the lateral 2.5. Sorry, 2/3. Lateral 2/3. So median.